This is my new Ferrari. Look at this one. The 2020 GTC for Lusso. It's a beautiful car. You could see that is different to the normal Ferraris. What you see, it got beautiful yellow Brembo brake calipers and fantastic wheel design. I love the grey color. Many people preferred a bit of reddish in Ferraris by thinking they highlight, but I'm a person, not a great fan of highlighting too much in the middle of the road. So this is how it looks like. Very easily 4 people can sit in this Ferrari GTC for Lusso. And look at the cabin. It's beautiful and it's spacious, and you could clearly see the rear seat. 2 people can easily sit in the car, and this is a very specific sunroof, electronically operated. You don't have to manually or electronically cover it, or like the typical vehicles. It's very, very different, and you could have a look of how these bigger infotainment panel and how it looks like. So we could see how the cold start of Ferrari GTC for Lusso, and when you see the rear seats, and let's see whether you could hear the sound. Start of Ferrari GTC for Lusso. You could hear the V12 roaring. Obviously 700 horsepower, that's the sound.